What's up, you guys? So today I'm going to show you how to create this super cute like Coachella music festival inspired look, also kind of a space princess look, but I think it's super cute. So if you want to know how to create this look, just keep watching. So to get started, I'm just going to go in with my Born This Way foundation. You know, everyone uses this, you've seen it before. I should also probably tell you guys that my eyebrows are already done. I used my Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit. And if they look really overgrown, it's because they are when I zoom in on my eye to do the eyeshadow. So ignore that, I gotta get them done. To start with the eyes, obviously I'm gonna go to my little Tarte primer right here. Now I'm actually gonna go in with something that's not an eye product, but it's just this lippy sticks by ColourPop in the shade Grind. It's a matte like lipstick, but I'm gonna use it on my lid and I'm gonna blend it out so it's really pigmented, because I don't have any super pigmented eyeshadows that are gonna create the same effect that this will. Okay, so now that I've put this purple color down as kind of like the base for this look, I'm gonna go in with my Sweet Peach palette by Too Faced. It smells like peaches. And I'm gonna use the color Delectable. It's this purple one right here. Now that I've blended the crease as much as I could, I know it's kind of wonky over there, but that's because I was using kind of a sucky brush, but I'm just going to go in with one of my NYX single eyeshadows. This is in the shade Epic. I'm doing this in the outer corner of the eye. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my Baby, the Fenty Galaxy palette. And I think for the lid, I'm going to use the shade Ultraviolet, which is here, and Space Out, which is right there. Now I'm just going to use the tip of my finger to pat this on the lid. And then for my inner corner, I'm going to go in and use this blue color right here. Okay, now that we've like sort of smoked at the bottom, it's not super smoky. I'm just gonna go in with this this NYX liquid crystal liner. Super pretty. Also, I'm going to see Demi Lovato in like less than 2 weeks. I'm gonna vlog it. It's gonna be great. I'm so excited. So if it makes sense, I kind of just like made the shape that I wanted into like half of a butterfly wing to give it that like magical look. And I'm gonna do the other side. Okay, so now that I have my mascara on and the eyes are done, we're gonna move into the rest of the face. So of course, we're gonna go in with my Chocolate Soleil bronzer by Too Faced. And I'm also gonna apply it to the top of my forehead. Contour the nose. Then for our like base of a highlight, I'm gonna use what is it? I have a sample of Rihanna's Fenty Beauty, the, what the heck are they called, the shimmer sticks. I think it's the shade Confetti. It's the one that's always sold out when I try to go buy it at Sephora, but I have a sample of it, so I'm gonna use it on my, you know, places. And then to elevate the look, because this is a festival look, I'm actually gonna use glitter on my cheekbones. So yeah, like that shimmer and shine is so pretty. Oh my god, I'm glowing. It's so beautiful. Oh my god. Now, if you don't want to do the glitter highlight in your look, you don't even have to, but because I want to be extra, we're going to go the extra mile. So what I'm going to use to adhere the glue to my skin is this glitter primer by NYX. You've probably seen it before. And I'm also going to use their Face and Body Glitter Brilliance. Oh, I love Hollow so much. I'm just going to dab the glue where I put my highlight. Like, look at that. I wish this was like acceptable for every day. Now I have hollow highlight. Elevate the look even more because this is, again, a festival look. Or you know what? It can be Space Princess look. I don't know. I'm actually gonna use like some rhinestones that I like found, because this is a festival look. Duh, you gotta like bejewel your face. Just trying to get these like even, because I am a space princess. I'm obsessed with this look right now. Oh my god, I want to go to Coachella right now. I think I might go to Boston Calling because that's like my local music festival. And there's no way I have the expenses to pay for Coachella right now or get there, because I'm just a youngin'. Can I wear rhinestones on my face every day, please? Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I think I'm gonna channel my inner Marina and put a heart over here. So I put all of these rhinestones on my face. You can put rhinestones on however you want. This is just how I felt like doing it right now. And so now I think I'm just gonna finish up the look with a little bit of lipstick. I'm gonna mix the same color that I used on my eyelids at first by ColourPop. It's Rind. The lippy sticks, and then I'm gonna apply the shade that Halsey and MAC created when she collabed with them a couple years ago. I really love it. It's this like cool grayish like blue color, super cool. So okay, so my camera died while I was putting on my lipstick, but I charged it enough to show you guys the completed look. I really love it. So yeah, this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't already, make sure you thumbs up this video and subscribe if you're not already, because I am really just trying to grow my channel and I would love if you could be a part of this. So thanks guys, bye.